Modern periodic table. English scientist Henry Moseley proved that atomic number is a more fundamental property of an element than its atomic mass. So, in the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic number. The modern periodic table contains 7 horizontal rows called the periods 1 to 7. The 18 vertical columns in this table are the groups 1 to 18. Apart from these 7 rows, 2 rows are shown separately at the bottom of the periodic table. These are called lanthanide and actinide series. The entire periodic table is divided into 4 blocks. Group 1st and 2nd S block, group 13 to 18 P block, group 3 to 12 D block, lanthanide and actinide series, that is F block. Metalloid lie along the border of zigzag line which is drawn in the P block. All the metals lie on the left side of the zigzag line while all the non-metals lie on the right side. Here are some features of modern periodic table. So, the modern periodic law. The modern periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of the element are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. The modern periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Groups and electronic configuration. In a modern periodic table, you will find that the number of the valence electrons in a particular group to be the same. For example, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. All these elements belongs to group number 1. You can see that there are 1 electron in their outermost shell. So, conclusion, number of electron in the outermost shell is equal to the number of group. Periods and electronic configuration. While in period, shell is same but valence electrons increases by 1 at a time. The elements in the second period, that is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon have electrons in the 2 shells. The elements in the third period, that is sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon have electrons in the 3 shells. So, we can say that number of shells is equal to the number of periods. Valency. The combining capacity of the element is known as valency. The atoms having 1, 2, 3 or 4 valence electrons normally lose these to the combining atoms and they show valencies, that is 1, 2, 3 or 4. For example, sodium, which has atomic number 11, the electronic configuration of sodium is 281. In the outermost shell of sodium, there is 1 electron, so the valency of sodium is 1. The atoms having 5, 6 or 7 valence electrons generally take up 3, 2 or 1 electron from the atoms of another elements and show valencies of 3, 2 or 1. For example, chlorine. The atomic number of chlorine is 17. Electronic configuration of chlorine is 287. In the outermost shell of chlorine, there are 7 electrons, so the valency of chlorine is 1. Atomic size. We will find that while going down a group, the atomic size goes on increasing. This is because while going down a group, a new shell is added. Therefore, the distance between the outermost electron and the nucleus goes on increasing. As a result of this, the atomic size increases in spite of the increased nuclear charge. Here, the example lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium. While going from left to right within a period, the atomic number increases one by one, meaning the positive charge on the nucleus increases by 1 unit at a time. However, the additional electron gets added to the same outermost shell. Due to the increased nuclear charge, the electrons are pulled towards the nucleus to a greater extent, and thereby the atomic radius goes on decreasing while going from left to right within a period. Here are the example of period number second, that is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. We can see that from left to right the atomic radius goes on decreasing. Metallic, non-metallic character. Metals are present on the left side as well as in the center of the periodic table. Non-metals are located on the right side of the periodic table. By losing electrons, metal atoms change to positive ions, that is cations. So, they are electropositive in nature. Down the group, the metallic character increases because the electron releasing tendency of the atoms tend to increase, while along a period the metallic character decreases because the electron releasing tendency of the atom tends to decrease. By accepting electrons, non-metal atoms change to negative ions, that is anions. So, non-metals are electronegative in nature. Down the group, the non-metallic character decreases and along a period it increases. Gradation in halogen family. The halogen is formed by fluorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. The halogen is formed by fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. They have 7 electrons in their outermost shell. A gradation is observed in their physical state down the group. Thus, fluorine and chlorine are gases, bromine is a liquid, while iodine is a solid.